Children, today I am going to start the questions from brain teaser. Let's see the fifth question. Articles are bought rupees 45 per dozen. 1 dozen का cost दिया हुआ, cost price. So I have written cost price of article, cost price of 1 dozen. Sorry, cost price of 1 dozen. Cost price of 1 dozen article is equal to rupees 45. Then selling price of 1 dozen. 1 dozen article. See, this is the selling price and this is cost price 85. So children, when the SP is greater than cost price, then profit. There is a profit. यदि आपको SP जो है वो CP से ज़्यादा है तो there is a profit. So you have to write down profit is equal to SP minus CP. Now rupees 85 minus rupees 45 is equal to 550 and 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. So rupees 40 is the profit. Okay, so you have to find out profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit by CP into 100. Now profit is 40 rupees, CP is 45 rupees into 100. 5 9 ja 45 and 5 2 ja 10. Again children, 4 2 ja 5 5 9 ja 45 and 5 2 ja 10 20. और अब तो रिड्यूस नहीं होगा. नेक्स्ट 4 2 जा 8 एंड 4 4 2 जा 8 एंड 2 0 डिवाइडेड बाई 9. अब आप इसको रिड्यूस कर दो 9 से, मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में चेंज कर दीजिए. 9 9 जा 81, 9 8 जा 72, 8 0 again 8 ja 72 and 8. So your answer is 9, 80 and 8%. So your profit percent is 88 whole 8 by 9%. Now come to the next questions. Question number 6. Salim deposited rupees 12,000 in a finance company which pay rupees. In this question children, principal is given, the rate of interest is given and time is given. So first of all you have to find out simple interest. After that you have to find out the amount. Okay children, so principal is equal to rupees 12,000, rate of interest 15% and time is equal to 4 whole 1 by 2, 4 whole 1 by 2, that means 4 2 ja 8 and 1 9 by 2 years. Okay, then simple interest is equal to, first find out P into R divided by 100 is equal to 12,000 into R 15, 9 by 2 divided by 100. 2 0 2 0 cancel. Again 2 6 are 12 and 60. So you have to multiply 15 9 ja 135 and 6 ja 6 5 ja 33, 6 3 ja 18, 19 20 21, 2 6 1 ja 6 to 8. Okay, so 8 1 0 and 1 0 more. So your simple interest is 8100. After that children, you have to find the amount. Find the amount. So all of you know that how we find the amount. Amount is equal to simple interest plus principal. Simple interest is equal to 8100 plus principal is equal to 12,000. So your answer is 20 and 1 and 8 2 10 0 1 and 1 1 2, यानी rupees 20,100. Okay children, now next questions. Let's start. Next question. Ramlal bought oranges at 30 rupees per dozen. So it is given cost price of 1 dozen. Cost price of 1 dozen orange is equal to rupees 30 and he had to sell at loss of 5%. और कितने में सेल करता? 5% लॉस. लॉस इज इक्वल टू 5%, मीन्स 5% ऑफ रुपीज 30. 5% of rupees 30, that means 5 by 100 into 30 0 0 and 5 2 ja 10 is equal to 3 by 2, means 3, 2 1 जा 2, 1.05 means rupees 1 rupees 50 paisa. Okay, 2 1 जा 2 1 and dot 0 and 2 5 जा 10, 1 rupees 50 पैसा. तो लॉस कितना हुआ उसको? 1 rupees 50 पैसा का. सो फाइंड द सेलिंग प्राइस. देयरफॉर सेलिंग प्राइस इज इक्वल टू CP minus loss is equal to rupees 30 minus 1 rupees 50 paisa. So your answer is 30, 0 0 and 1 50. There is 50 and 29 means 1, 20, 28. So your answer is 28 rupees 50 paisa. Then SP is 28 rupees 50 paisa.